Homabay, we have recently faced a tragedy, and I have also seen reports of an attempt on my deputy governor, attempt on the life of my deputy governor, and I want to say that the investigative authorities should take this matter up very, very seriously and expeditiously, and investigate and leave and do it thoroughly and as soon as possible, so that we don't get to a point where we face what we have just seen. The investigative authorities should move with speed and investigate and give the public of Homabay and Kenya a report on what exactly happened last night. My DG and I, have served this county together diligently, and we continue to serve the people diligently, and we want to know what exactly is going on as soon as possible.
Whereupon we want to give a status update on the alleged incident involving the Deputy Governor of Homabay County. The Security Committee at the Homabay County have sat, and it is hereby that we wish to inform the public and the media fraternity of reports regarding an incident that occurred on the night of 11th May 2025 at approximately 10 p.m. Reportedly, the incident took place along the road leading to the homestead of the Deputy Governor, Honorable Joseph Oyugi Magwanga, in Komuso Village, East Kamakag location, within Rachonyo South Sub-County. In response to this report, the County Security Committee has this morning dispatched a team of investigators to the scene to conduct thorough and comprehensive investigations into the circumstances surrounding the incident. We wish to assure the public that the Deputy Governor is safe and in good health, and indeed we have spoken to him, and we have also advised him to take statements with the DCI. We wish also to commend him for his cooperation with the investigative agencies. We strongly urge all leaders and members of the public to remain calm, refrain from speculation, and desist from making reckless or alarmist statements. It is essential to allow the investigative processes to proceed independently and to its logical conclusion. The government remains committed to ensuring the safety and security of all the residents in Homabay County. Thank you very much.
A lot of this at him. Mane card na metemia. Domino no kokelo niki moro private. El private no.
Bueno, legida hii ingine ya kuchaja.
Hiyo tutakata.
Ya stream. En kan.
So,
Stream ile na. Ah.
Indeed, we have spoken to him.